A seemingly unstoppable superstar.
And a man who always eats his vitamins and says his prayers.
The following is a triple threat Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from Venice Beach, California, weighing in at 303 pounds, the Immortal Hogan.
Hulkamania is growing. The WWE Universe is electric right now.
It's undeniable, Michael. Being a Hulkamaniac is like the best thing ever.
Oh, listen to yourself. The disease known as Hulkamania infects more of the WWE Universe each and every day. I, for one, hope the opposition tonight can finally find the cure.
Face of this company all over the world.
Oh, he's got the look, he's got the skills, and he's got the heart for sure.
He's got everything he needs to be one of the greatest of all time.
Oh, guys, what an incredible treat.
And his opponents, first from Glasgow, Scotland, weighing in at 230 pounds, Roddy Piper.
Well, the only thing more dangerous than Roddy Piper with his ring gear on is Roddy Piper with a mic in his hand.
Can take a man down with words before the bell even rings. Roddy Piper has made a career out of that. A master manipulator.
Expect the unexpected when Hot Rod comes to town.
Every Hulkamaniac secretly liked the Hot Rod. I know you did, Byron.
I admit it. I had a soft spot for Roddy Piper.
Here comes the high flyer of the NWO.
And representing the NWO from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 212 pounds, SYXX.
Amazing high flying and striking skills, the workhorse of the New World Order.
SYXX possesses so much.
This match will be contested under Extreme Rules. No countouts, no disqualifications, anything goes. Ready for this bout, we have Hulk Hogan, Roddy Piper, and SYXX.
When it comes to weighing the costs versus benefits of certain types of matches, I wish I could say I know exactly where things lean with Extreme Rules matches.
Well, that's the problem with high risk, high reward. Eventually, the results start to blur together.
Nice neck breaker.
There he goes, right into the corner.
Tagged with a punch.
Uh-oh, he's returning fire. Shoulder tackle.
Left hook in the mush.
Avoiding contact.
DDT. And returning to the ring.
And then the chest as well.
If I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. In a triple threat match, you absolutely have to keep your head on a swivel. You can't just focus on one opponent, because the second you do, the other can easily sneak in and change the complexion of this match.
Ooh.
And one more reversal. Talk about evenly matched here.
Big clothesline. Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
Oh, no. What else is he going to do? that?
Sent flying.
A total role reversal, hurling them around like a giant sack of potatoes.
Body slam slipped out.
Inverted DDT connects. Piper's resiliency getting tested there.
Hogan unloading on his opponent like we've seen so many times before. Big elbow drop.
Oh, what a forearm.
Gets tossed.
It couldn't have felt good being shucked around like that.
Oh, my Lord. Looking for something, anything under the ring.
Oh, risky business is afoot with the ladder in play now. Quick return to the ring. Oh, walloped by a huge club. Lights out. DDT connects.
Running bulldog. Cover, cover. Oh, he kicked out.
And frustration might be starting to set in.
And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries.
He's got a sledgehammer. Oh, man, this is not going to end well. Gut wrench.
An unyielding showing of authority, no two ways about it.
Piper dodges that one.
Oh, what a clothesline!
Dropped right on their face.
And what he's looking for here looks like a potential submission maneuver coming. And he breaks the hold. Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism.
Heads out of the ring. What's next? Positioning it on the ring apron now.
With the ladder right there, I'll tell you, bad things can happen. Oh, look at the squeeze. It's on like a vice grip.
Oh, that just looks nasty.
Ow!
He's rummaging for some sort of equalizer underneath the ring. Scoop slam by Hogan. And here comes the pendant. He climbs into the ring.
Big forearm.
Catching a drop kick. He can end it here. He's got him.
Oh, and he breaks up the pin.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
The sleeper is cinched in, and you can see little by little the opponent is fading.
So he breaks the hold. Clothesline. Off with their head. Into the cover. 3. No, he kicked out.
How in the world did he do that?
And back in the ring we go.
Oh, direct impact to the chest.
Placing them into the corner.
Running leg lariat in the corner.
Beautiful.
Oh. Nice back rotation suplex. Kick right to the back of the leg.
Sidewalk slam. He's going for the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window. Kicks out after 1.
These 1 counts are going to get harder and harder to kick out of. Oh, basically hammering their opponent into the floor.
The end is looming now.
Maybe just stay down, man. You've done enough.
And you can tell there are cruel intentions in mind right now.
Consecutive attacks keeping Hot Rod off his game.
The Hulkamaniacs are propelling the Hulks. The sleeper is cinched in, and you get in trouble here.
Oh, what a great counter. That'll break it up. Dragon screw.
Hogan managing to get some control back now.
He weathered the storm and wants to create a flurry of his own.
These superstars' bodies must be racked with excruciating pain.
This is the true testament. Who can dig down, pull the lever, and become the aggressor?
Looks like Bob was taking the upper hand.
But SYXX can't allow this burst to hinder him.
And these attacks are spelling nothing but trouble. I don't care who you are. You can't take consecutive attacks like that without it affecting you.
And it is clear the mission now is to destroy and incapacitate.
Oh, that's unnecessary.
Getting him into the corner.
Oh, knee to the breadbasket.
Oh, look at this.
So ruthless. For the pin and the win!
Yes! A defiant kick out after one.
Still gonna take a massive effort to keep him down. There's a slam. We know what comes next.
Leg drop.
Will that stop Hot Rod?
Big elbow drop. Big reversal from the Hulkster.
I am feeling a titanic shift.
And there's the cover.
Got it. Seize the opportunity in this triple threat match.
Here is your winner, the Immortal Hogan.
What a performance. Huge win here in this triple threat match.
I know there is only one true winner of a match like this, guys, but the other two superstars should keep their heads up high after the performances they pulled off here.
Unfortunately, there are no consolation prizes in triple threat matches, Saxton, but you have a point. All three of these competitors really gave it their all here.